This is resetting the oil light for a 2005 Infiniti M35. First, we want to push the start button. Get the car turned on. And then what we need to do is go into the settings. Hit settings, go down into info, actually hit info, maintenance, hit the middle button to enter it, engine oil. We want to select that, and we want to go in and intervals, I'm going to change hers to every 5,000 for synthetic oil. Okay, reset distance. And then we're going to go back, and then I'm going to go to oil filter, do the same thing, select it, change the intervals to every 5,000, reset distance, back. We also did a tire rotation, so I'm going to reset that. I'm going to change that to every 3,000 to reminder. Actually, I'm going to change it to 5 and just let the customer know. Reset that. And then other reminders, that's probably other intervals. I'm just going to reset that so everything shows so the customer doesn't freak out. And that's how you reset the oil maintenance site and other stuff regarding the maintenance site.